Welcome back to the CAD training. Today we will learn how to create a simple 3D model with a reference of an isometric view. Today we will continue this series of basic 3D model which will be helpful for the beginners. First we will create this rectangle as a base, and then extrude it. Then we will create this rectangular profile, and make extrude cut. Later we will create these two rectangles on both the ends of the base rectangle, and extrude them. Let's start the video. Select the top plane. Sketch, and make it normal. Choose the center rectangle, and draw it from the origin point. Choose the smart dimension, this line 32 mm. And this line 56 mm. Go to Features, Extrude Boss, and extrude it to 8 mm. Now we will create this profile and make extrude cut through all. Right-click on this face, sketch, normal. Choose the center rectangle, and draw it from the origin point. Now select the smart dimension, this line 16 mm. And this line 12 mm. Go to Features, Extrude Cut, and select the Through All option. OK. Now we have to create these two rectangles and extrude it. Right-click on this face, sketch, normal. Now select the corner rectangle, and draw it from this point, like this. Select the smart dimension, and this line to 16 mm. And this line to 8 mm. Now select the corner rectangle again, and draw it from this point, like this. Select the smart dimension, and this line to 16 mm. And this line to 8 mm. Go to Features, Extrude Boss, and extrude it to 12 mm. Now we will give material appearance to it. Go to Appearance, Metal, Steel, and double-click on the polished steel. Our design is ready.